you better go or I'll see you tomorrow.
It's funny because he's not going to see you tomorrow.
What's the way?
Hey guys!
Guys, I'm really hungry. I need something to eat. But we have no food.
Say no more, good sir. I'll be back in a jiffy. Tell me then, Tommy Boy, what is your beverage or foodstuff of choice? What tickles your fancy? I can sort that out for you.
Oh, Quitty Boy, I would love some biscuits, please. Thank you.
No problem. Fridgy, give me some Bicky Bickies.
What the? Now I've had food, now I need a cup of coffee to wash it down my throat.
Okay, I'll sort that out for you.
Ha-ta-ta-ta, I will do it. Fridge, give me coffee. Oh my god! Why did he punch me? I need my coffee! Why did I get my coffee?
Oh, let me do it. You have to rhyme. Watch. Fridge on the table, jolly good show. Give me a cup of joe. Fridge, make me the best drink ever, and I'll be your best friend forever. I'm thirsty.
I will make you one. Be back in a bit. Got it!
Thank you.
So, how was it?
It's just not saying it. Life's not worth living anymore. I'm gonna jump.
No, don't do it!
Go.
Ooh! Why did he punch me? Why have I not got my... Okay. But we have no food. We have no food. But we have no food.
Fine, do it again.
Do again. What? But we have no food. But we have no food. I'm glad you're dying. I'm glad you're Joe. You get to die. Joe? No.